So, andito tayo sa San Juan City along F. Benitez Street. Meron po tayong commercial or residential property, vacant lot with improvement or warehouse, pero dilapidated na po siya. This is around 760 square meters lot area, and then 460 square meters yung floor area niya. This is 90 million, 90, and available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. Yung frontage niya is 5 meters. And as is where is po tayo dito. So if you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly because first come first serve po tayo dito. And meron din tayong assigned caretaker. Ate, kayong caretaker? Dito rin kayo nakatira? So, ganito lang siya. May kuryente naman kayo dito? Tubig, meron din. Tagal na kayo dito? 2 taon na? Oo. Hindi naman to binabaha? Hindi binabaha. Mataas ang San Juan di ba? Marami nang tumingin. Maraming tumingin. Ano to? Semento? Bato? Pwede siya makita, ate? Okay lang. Pero may second floor siya.
May second floor siya, kaso wala na siyang hagdanan.
So wala nag-i-stay dun sa second floor. Pero ano yung semento yung second floor niya? Hindi rin. Kahoy lang. Okay. So anong pwedeng gawin dito? Apartment? Ano to dati? Warehouse lang? Hindi nyo rin alam? Pero ano itong mga katabi niya dito ng subdivision? Ano itong condo ba? Ano, school ba yun nandito dito?
Ewan ko kasi yung dito, madre.
Madre? Parang ano? Kumbento, parang ganun?
Ewan ko dito, hindi ko masyado alam.
Pero hindi naman mga gulo dito, maayos naman dito. Tahimik naman dito.
Tahimik po.
Ito, hindi na to part ng property. Hanggang gate lang. Ano to, townhouse na?
Hindi ko po alam.
Tapos hanggang dyan lang din yung pader na yan.
Opo.
Hanggang doon, sagad-sagad lang.
Sagad-sagad lang.
Kasi irregular nga yung shape niya eh. Parang letter F siya eh. Nung nakita ko sa mapa eh. So hanggang dyan lang sa gate. Dati siyang warehouse pero I think mas ideal tong gawing apartment or townhouse. Yan siya. Or gawing residential house. Kung gusto ninyong gawing bahay. So again, if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, message us directly. Negotiable pa to. We can negotiate the price subject for management approval. So i-check natin yung labas niya. So this is F. Benitez Street, San Juan City. So ganyang kalapad yung kalsada. 2 lanes lang siya. And one way going out papunta doon. And then yung property is ito po siya. Yung green gate na yan, yan po yung entrada ng property. 5 meters naman yung niya, yung frontage niya. Kasya naman dito ang SUV or small truck or elf, kasya po dyan.
magtinginan at magpustahan na. The other types of jurisdictions are already procedural. Okay. I will not leave this topic for a while because there is still one question which I will ask you. If the complaint is already filed, what is the effect of the filing of the complaint? I'm sure if you go to the Civil Code, the prescriptive period for the cause of action is already stopped. Is it not? It's over. But there is one very important question. With respect to jurisdiction, what is the importance of the filing of the complaint? Answer: the court acquires jurisdiction over the person of the plaintiff. The plaintiff cannot say, Your Honor, I will file this complaint, but you still have no jurisdiction over me. Oh, that's ridiculous. The moment you file a complaint, you submit yourself voluntary to the jurisdiction of it. But